Hi everybody, Charlie here with the Recon Shop. Behind me we have a 2019 Volkswagen GT with a couple of paintless dent repair dents that we're going to be fixing today. One on the driver's side quarter panel, the other one is on the passenger side rear door. We are going to be fixing these today using paintless dent repair, and I want to explain why we give such a wide ballpark range when we're pricing damage when we only get to see it by pictures. But you really have to see it in person to see exactly how big it actually is and the affected area. Lighting, the color of the vehicle, the angle that the picture is taken from, all makes a dramatic difference in how much we can see the damage in the affected area. There are a lot of factors that have to be taken in consideration when we are estimating damage like this. This damage is going through the body line, and it's in an area that we have to use what's called the glue pulling process, which also adds quite a bit more difficulty. But it's always a better repair if it's a candidate for paintless dent repair. We're able to keep your vehicle completely original after the repair, which is absolutely best case scenario. Your Carfax stays completely clean and your original paint job remains intact. And as you can see here, damage like this comes out fantastic using paintless dent repair. You can get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL.